There's nothing more dangerous than street racing, and unfortunately, these spontaneous auto races are becoming more prevalent than ever in California, especially in Los Angeles area. Take, for example, a crash that happened last Friday on Sherman Way in Van Nuys. Two drivers of very expensive vehicles, a $200,000 Mercedes-Benz GT63 and a $500,000 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, were reportedly involved in a speed race. However, it came to an abrupt and violent end when a driver in a Honda Civic turned left in front of them. The Mercedes crashed into the Honda and the Rolls-Royce veered to the left and hit an oncoming Chevrolet Traverse. 4 people were injured, including 2 people from the Honda who suffered major injuries. One of them was thrown out of the car into the street. Meanwhile, the driver of the Rolls-Royce exited the vehicle and fled on foot. Street racing is illegal, and most of the time it involves drivers who don't even know each other. Of course, we don't know if that is the case in this collision. Street racing is more likely to occur on urban roadways, and it is dangerous because the risk of a fatal crash increases as speeds exceed 70 miles per hour. So who is street racing? The majority of street racers are male, and many are also teenagers. Most also have prior driving violations and crashes on their record. Penalties for street racing include fines of up to $1,000 in California. Police may also impound the vehicle or confiscate it, revoke the driver's license, and arrest them. Drivers who engage in a street race that results in a death may also face a second-degree murder charge if the district attorney determines that the conduct was done with reckless disregard for human life. I hope that all those involved in this crash last Friday in Van Nuys have a full recovery. I also recommend that if you witness a street race, that you contact the Highway Patrol immediately. The number is 1-800-TEL-CHP. My name is James Johnson, and over the years I've handled many cases involving a crash due to a negligent driver who is speeding or driving recklessly. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or would like me to discuss a separate topic. And finally, subscribe for more content like this.